Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Hey guys, hey, this is Shan. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm on the road. Yeah, I'm starting off this vlog because I forgot to start it when I was at home, so I'm gonna start off the vlog now. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am ꨄ and I do lifestyle vlogs. So interested? Click that subscribe button and give this video a like, share this video, and comment something down below. So today's vlog, I think this is gonna be like either a weekend vlog or probably, if I get enough footage today, it's just like a Friday vlog. But right now we are in Kingston, waiting on my dad to do some business. But right now we're in Kingston. Actually, we're going to this book launch for this book. I know I told you guys about me being in a mentorship program, being a mentor. For me, what me know about mentorship? But anyways, I'm a mentor and the founder of the mentorship program. She has a book that she wrote of some poems. We're going to her book launch right now. I think it starts at 5. I must remember what time is on the 5. So 5 o'clock. It's supposed to be 5. So we're gonna head into the book launch today. So I just want to start the vlog here so that you guys can know like what we're doing when we reach there and all of that. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget, as I said, subscribe. Leave a comment because it helps my video. I know, yeah, it helps. So just leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the rest of the vlog. Hey guys, we're here. We're at Mona campus and it is being held at the Mary C. Cola Hall. So that's where we are right now. Sun hat. More hungry. Sun hat. I cool hats, but yeah. Yes guys, we came to use the restroom. So this is a common area. As in upstairs, because more and more people are coming in place. Only for house there, we know just
This book represents a journey that invites each and every one of us to embark on new adventures, explore uncharted territories, and dive deep into the world of the birds. As we gather here to celebrate the birth of this book, we also celebrate the power of storytelling, the ability to connect, to inspire, and to transform lives. I thank you all for joining us on this special occasion and invite you to immerse yourselves in the story that awaits you within these pages. Let me give you my own quote of congratulations.
And as I reflect Roger, I don't believe my name on Roger. I want us to be comforted and get home.
It's a coach.
Yes, and based on the question you asked me, the first thing I would have to say is the home we're coming from, we were led by faith. And God was our source and our strength. And I'm continuing that in my life as much as I can.
Let us pray. Bow in your presence, offering thanks to you for all you have done. Indeed, you there for us through all the twists and turns of life. And this hour we come, affirming, celebrating your presence, your protection, and your person.
I was reflecting and said, no, this is not the message I need to send to my granddaughter. And so I wrote that one to say, laugh and laugh loud and laugh strong. Because there's going to come a time, because we're not going to change the situation in one generation. There's going to come a time when she's 19 or 18 or 20, when someone is going to say, because of our hue, the color of her skin, because of our ancestors, someone is going to say, yeah, love you. So now that she's innocent, now that she don't even know what that means, use the time to laugh. So that point speaks to me.
Excellent. And may speak to another host.
Yes.
Of the ability to just express self to be old enough to do it. Wonderful.
He comes and changes my oil. Softly whispering as he toils. Dark is the night, no star in sight. Lonely is the road, no sound to be heard. He shines his light in what the magicians want. My troubled heart quietly departs. Tears are lost in the rainbow smile.
The mechanic works efficiently, peering in each crevice prodigiously. Fluid drops from the coil, purring, my engine jumps to life. As rust washes from its shed, indeed, this is pure delight.
Yes, sir. Thanks for joining me on the couch. You yourself went through the process of writing and bringing forth a book. Is there a common challenge that you feel authors face? What do you think is that common challenge that authors, before you go into the reading, what is that? Do you think a common challenge authors face, and what is that? Some other ones, just some people
Any reason why?
it's so crazy. Let's focus on so let's focus on the more solid ones. Right? So when you get a chance, I would love for you to tell me what is your favorite solid one. When you get a chance, to tell me what is your favorite solid coin, and I'd love to hear it. Thanks for joining me on the couch. Thanks for the journey that you've done here.
I discovered, I always know, but the pen is powerful. Your voice is powerful, especially when you're not using it just for yourself, just for self-aggrandizing, but for making changes, for empowering people, for speaking for the dispossessed. You see that poem about Mario Dean? And it's Mario Dean, it's a Ghana Barrett, is the Floyd and in the United States. It's all these people that have been killed. It's all these mothers, brothers that are mourning their sons because they have been killed, not died, killed. You understand? So when I write from a place of empathy, from anger, from pain, and I do write from love too.
Hey guys, so it's like many days after, just coming on to like end the vlog. So it was my first book launch. It was nice. Didn't know what to expect because, as I said, I've never been to one of these before. So yeah, it was nice. Got my book signed. We had a little refreshment in the end and then came back home. So yeah, that's what we did. Just wanted to share my first book launch experience with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video. Let me know what you guys think of my first book launch. So the book is actually a set of poems that she wrote, and yeah, so I have a lot of them I have them now to read. So hopefully you guys will enjoy. If you do want to buy a book, like, you can comment it down below and I will like try and see if I can get in touch with her so that she can tell me where you guys can buy it and such like that. So it's a book of poems though. So yeah, so thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.